Grimsby City blood. Grimsby. Grimsby City. Well, everybody, welcome back to the channel, fam. Welcome back to the channel. Listen, if you're brand new, make sure you drop a like on the video, subscribe right down there. My name is Rome. You're watching the fourth official. Referee, Blue Racer, bro. Let's go. Grimsby City, bro. Grimsby fucking City. No, don't get me wrong. I thought before the season start, after preseason, I was like, yo, we're gonna kill them blood. Every one of them are gonna dead. The Premier League dead, Carabao Cup dead, FA Cup dead, all of them are gonna dead. After the Arsenal game, shit, nobody could remember nothing. You could not tell me anything about Manchester United after that because we played well against Arsenal. Like, what? We played so well against Arsenal? They're gonna die. The league is gonna die. The league will eat us. Not so much so. Not so much so, blood. Grimsby blood clot City, fam. Grimsby City, bro. How can I analyze the game? How can I tell you what I thought about the game? When the entire time, after the first 5 minutes, I was like, are we really going to lose to these, man? Are we really going to lose to these, man? No make no sort of sense, bro. No sort of sense at all. Let's start with Onana. Oh, yeah. Fucking Onana, bro. Why are you playing football, bro? Why are you a football player? You should be an accountant, brother. You should be you should be an agent because you bring Mbemo come out of the club. That's fine. And you're trying to get the compatriot believer. So yeah, become an agent, brother. Love football. Leave the football game alone, brother. Because you are an absolute shit, bro. You are a disgrace, bro. You are no, don't get me wrong. The entire team is shit. All the team is shit, from the coach to the grungs man to everybody, players, everybody, shit. But you, Onana, you are the epitome of a load of shit. You are the epitome of a massive load of shit, bro. Don't you say anything else? No, that's it. That is it. If the defense and the rest of the team not have no confidence in a goalkeeper, the team dead. Because no matter what angle and kick the ball from, he might go score. Because he is bro, me never go work yesterday, no, brother. I did not go to work yesterday. I was so upset. Brother, I've been talking crap all summer, bro. I've been talking all sort of crap all summer, bro. When me demons my friend them, me head high. You can't tell me nothing about Manchester United, but the moment me alone, me head drop. Ball more and ball. Because look at the rest of the world, everyone is playing well, everyone is doing well. All the man them big, bold, winning games. What are we doing, Pam? I grew up in an era, late 1990s, 2000s, where Manchester United was absolutely dominant, bro. Me used to remember 7:30 every night, right? 2000, 2004, 2005, 7:30 every night. I'll wait for watching sports news, CVM, TJ. Why? Because me know when this news comes 7:30 or 8:30 every night, me I go to Manchester United. I select the highlight of Manchester United beating up them. Oh, the man never lose to Grimsby. Grimsby! Eric, Eric Ten Hag, you set us back 10 years. This new coach now, Amorim. Amorim, I heard today that, you say emotional after the game. Yes, I will be emotional too. I am emotional. I didn't go work yesterday because of that. Yeah. So I get it. All right, fine. You're emotional. You don't want to talk about it. Cool. Fine. Okay. What I'm saying to you is we need to figure this out. That means you, me, the players, we need to figure it out. Me, to a lesser extent, because I'm here beyond. You and the players need to get your shit together, bro. Tomorrow, tomorrow we have a game against Burnley. Newly promoted Burnley. Newly promoted Burnley, bro. If you man don't go out there and walk up and down pan Burnley bumbo clot, you see. If you man don't go up there and walk up and down pan Burnley bumbo clot, you see. It's going to be hell to pay. It is going to be hell to pay, bro. I am fed up with this thing, fam. One of my friends tell me, I go up to Jamaica, Him support Arsenal, me support Manchester United. And Antonio Corby. I will never forget Antonio Corby. Body we call him. That man said to me, say, yo, when Alex Ferguson left, Manchester United will be shit. And I said to him, I'm mad smart. Manchester United will by forever be great. And for the past 13 years, Manchester United has been a massive, massive shit. And to be honest with you, I can't say he's wrong, bro. He's not fucking wrong, bro. Corey, big up yourself. Looking forward to the game tomorrow. Hopefully Kobe can get some more minutes. Hopefully he can start and leave Bumbucker Bruno up on the bench. Or make him play with Bruno and midfield and leave them to waste man up on the bench. I don't know, bro. Yo, you know what? People, bless yourself. Bless up others. Manaz.